Last chapter 3, we saw AI's superpower, finding patterns.
We grouped socks, sorted toys. Pixel, it's cleaning by itself.
AI helps at home, school, even while playing.
Let's spot AI all around us. Pixel, it's cleaning on its own. No bumps.
That's AI. I map the room and remember every corner.
And our lights dim and turn on by themselves. Wow.
Yup. AI senses time and brightness to help you feel comfy.
This game gives me tougher questions when I get them right. And it helps me when I get stuck.
That's AI. It learns what you know and helps you grow.
But my bell just rings. It doesn't know why I pressed it.
Exactly. It doesn't think or learn, just makes a sound.
My toy truck rolls when I push, but it never dodges blocks.
That's right. Not everything is AI. Simple things help in simple ways.
AI helps us at home and school.
Some things aren't AI, like the bell.
Smart tools learn. Others just follow.
In the next chapter 5, we'll learn what Pixel eats.
Spoiler, it's data.
Facts are my yummy food.